I'm in the middle of a trip across Korea from Incheon to Busan. Today is day 9, and it's also one of the most beautiful days I had throughout my whole trip. It's a long video today, but it's gonna be jaw-dropping. In this elevator, the bike actually fits. Morning, Mimi. Today we're headed to a small town called Suanbo. I believe I'm saying that right. It's not that far away. We've got about 28 kilometers or something like that. Look how crazy it looks out here this morning. This is awesome. It really wasn't that foggy in town, but out here, you can't see anything. I can see the trees on the other side over there, just barely. Now this feels like October. This is more what I was expecting. I bet all this fog will be gone in like 15 minutes. It's really breaking down fast now. It's another golf course. Koreans must love golf, man, because I see golf courses everywhere. It doesn't matter which part of Korea I'm in, so far at least. I'm always passing golf courses. Also right here is another restroom. Wow. That's beautiful, man. By the way, guys, I believe we have left Han River. I believe after Chungju, it's a different river. I'm not totally sure. Future Cody will confirm that for me, and he'll tell you what river it is. I think it starts with an S, but I can't remember off the top of my head right now. Future Cody, what is this? So yes, it is in fact a different river, though I'm having some trouble figuring out exactly which river. The bike passport calls it the Saja bicycle path. Yes, I'm still bad at pronouncing Korean names even after all this time. I don't know if that's also the name of the river. It doesn't look like it when I Google it, but it's one of the shorter bike paths. I don't know. Sorry if that wasn't much help past Cody. Guys, I was just riding along and looked over and suddenly saw this. Seems to be some kind of camping area, and yeah, the waterfall with the bridge above it. So nice, dude. I have no idea what this is. I didn't know this was here at all. There's actually a viewpoint up there. Maybe I'll go up there and we can get a better view in a second. Actually, at first all I saw was the bridge, and I was already gonna stop and just take a picture of that because it's pretty cool. And then I heard it. You can hear waterfalls, always. That's one of the ways we found them in the Philippines. Sometimes we get a little bit lost and be like, oh, I hear it. I hear something. You just follow that sound. I mean, you can't hear it from super, super far away unless it's huge. But I could hear this from the road. As a former full-time waterfall hunter, I'm often asked, Cody, what are your favorite types of waterfall? What's the best waterfall? It always has been, and it still is, surprise waterfalls. Waterfalls when you don't know there's a waterfall. Even though this isn't that big and there's nothing that crazy going on other than the bridge above, it's pretty cool. I still love it because I didn't know it was here. Right in between the beautiful mountains. What a gorgeous, gorgeous area. Actually, checking the map, it looks like I will go up around it. So I'm gonna see if I can't get behind it and maybe go on the bridge. I'm not totally sure how to get there, but let's just try and see if we can find out how. Wow, this area is beautiful. There's the bridge, guys. I was right. Let's see if we can go up it. Looks like we can. Whew. Okay, we're headed up. I translated a sign. Looks like there's a lot of places you can go up here. There was nowhere to chain up my bike, so I'm not gonna go everywhere. We're just gonna go to the top of the bridge and look down at the falls. There it is. We are on the bridge. There's the waterfall. Whoa! Actually, I think I'm gonna go put my helmet back. I completely forgot I had it on until I started filming this video. And take this jacket off. It's getting hot, man. We got one of these guys up here, plus this stone tablet thing. The bridge is over here. Let's cross it. I see a point up there. If it's not too far to get there, we'll go. Okay, we're headed deeper in. Wow, I didn't expect this to turn into a real hike. All right, been hiking for just 3 minutes maybe. And there it looks like the main ascent. Let's do it, almost there. Here it is, let's see. That's beautiful. Down there, that's where I was when this whole thing first started. Right there somewhere on the beach. I saw the waterfall and just had to get over here. I didn't know we were gonna see a view like this though. Look at them, just finding the waterfall. They have no idea the adventure in store for them if they choose to try to find the bridge. Okay, let's head back. I did need to find something to do today to kill time because we were definitely going to arrive at the hotel too early. This might have done it. We might be okay now. This sign says that if you keep hiking, there's something else 1.2 kilometers that way. Maybe an even better viewpoint because this keeps going up. But we're not going to hike 1.2 more kilometers. We still got to finish cycling to the accommodation. This bridge is so cool, man. It's not that bad when it's just you on it, but as soon as someone else steps on it, it's like, whoa. Oh, I made it back and the bike is gone. Oh no, it's here. Everything's fine. I'll try to find exactly the name of this and put it here so that you can do it. Just then. Right as I was getting ready to cycle out of there, some girl ran up to me with a guy behind her with a big camera on a gimbal. And she's asking me questions like, what are you doing here? Are you cycling? Where are you cycling to? From Seoul to Busan? Or what are you doing? Asking all these questions. And I'm like, this is weird. They're interviewing me. They did not tell me who they are or what this is. And she just like got so much energy, YouTubery or, and then she ran up the bridge. The guy with the camera was following her. And then she's up there like filming and doing all this stuff. And then I noticed afterwards that there were like maybe 3 or 4 other cameras down on the ground pointed at her as well. And then there was another guy with a drone circling around her. Like they're either some kind of YouTube channel or an actual TV show. I have no idea what that was. If I ever air and you guys see it, let me know in the comments because I don't know what it was. I have a van that's unmarked. It doesn't say anything on it. She already ran off. Eventually. Oh, beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that bridge. Guys, look at that snake. It's huge, man. That's crazy. Just kidding, guys. That's obviously not a snake. Don't take me serious. Guys, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is all still part of Chungju. I don't know. I need to find out later if Chungju is just, this is all considered part of the city, or if this is like a province or a state. I'm not even sure how it works in Korea, if it's provinces or states. I need to find that out too. I'm realizing I'm very ignorant on so much about Korea. I just don't, there's so much I don't know that I need to figure out. But anyway, I think Suanbo as well is even part of Chungju. Like maybe the edge, maybe the end of it. I'm not really sure. We found the first and only certification center for today. This one was further away than the other ones. It took a minute. We're in Suanbo. So we're gonna grab this really quick and then find our hotel. We did it. All right, we got it. The next one looks closer and then I think we're gonna get 2 tomorrow. This place doesn't look so bad. And it has a bath because this is a hot spring town. And this is a hot spring hotel. They said the bath water is hot spring water. I'm curious. So these are the bike lockers. I haven't seen one in person yet, but I saw them on video before. Let me show you how it works. So I'm not sure where you get the key, probably from him inside, I would guess. Right there, you just slide the bike into there, lock it up, and it's good. Your bike's safe all night. It's not out in the open. But still, if they're gonna give me the option of in the room, I'm gonna put it in the room every time. Later. All right, I've had a nice shower. Now I'm ready to head out and explore the town. Look, a second waterfall today. So this one's probably artificial? I don't know that, but those rocks don't look legit. This place feels like a ghost town, man. There's nobody else here. I saw some workers, and even riding through earlier, I barely saw anybody, a couple people. It feels like this is like a big tourist town. It should be full of people, but there's nobody here. It's Wednesday after we had huge holidays last week, and then this Monday was another holiday. Everybody's probably working. Dude, everyone here who is not the guy who checked me in or other cyclists, everyone else is like over 55. That might be too young, maybe over 65. Everyone here is so old. Not saying that 65 is so old, but there's just no young people. This is clearly a place that people just come to enjoy. Maybe they don't live around here, I'm not sure. Also, not sure what's up with all these turkey, pheasant looking birds all over the place. I've seen multiple statues. I see them on the buildings. They're everywhere. I haven't seen them anywhere until I got here. Check it out. I found a map of Cheongju. So yesterday we were right there. And today we are here. So we are almost out, but somehow just barely still in it. It looks like there are cherry blossoms surrounding a lot of the streets here. I bet in spring this place is gorgeous. I kind of want to go here. There's also a waterfall here. Not sure how to get to this one. Not sure if it's really walking distance because it doesn't show exactly where on the map. So I think I'm just gonna walk down the street and turn and try to find this mountain thing. Here's mine. Monkey 1992. Represent. What's up, baby? Okay, I kept walking and walking, and eventually this is what I found. You guys remember what we learned yesterday, right? We're gonna trust it. We're gonna head up these steps. Let's see what we find. Elsa would be super proud of me right now because I'm truly going into the unknown. I have no idea, zero, what this is or where it's gonna go. Okay, so far this is all we found. This seat with butterflies on it and this sign talking about butterflies. We're not giving up. The path still continues. We've still got almost 2 hours of daylight left and nothing better to do. What is this, guys? A grasshopper? These things are everywhere in Korea. I've almost run them over so many times. Maybe that's a viewpoint. I don't think it's gonna see over those trees though. I saw that movie. All right, almost cool, but we can't see through these trees. Huh. Well, we're still not at the top. I'm really hoping the top's gonna have a view of the town, or if not the town, then like the other side showing us something else. We've come this far, we might as well keep going. Yep, I'm freaked. I am freaked. I was walking and I heard something behind me and turned back. There was a snake slithering by me. Oh my god, dude, I don't like that. I don't like it at all. I swear I just heard another one. Oh, I just jumped a mile. Dude, now I'm freaked out. The snakes here got me on edge, dude. God. Guys, I shouldn't have Googled it, but I Googled it. It said there are 20 snakes, 20 breeds, 20 types of snakes in Korea that fall under the category of like one bite and you're dead. I don't like it. Dude, these are the cool beetles that we saw the other day. So sick, man. That one, he's related to the one that helped train Usopp during the time skip. Pretty much at the top. And there's some tower over here that says KBS on it. I don't know what that is. Could be cell phone, or KBS could mean Korean Broadcasting Station, maybe? I do see a path this way though, and there's less trees over there, so we might have actually found a viewpoint. Fingers crossed. I wouldn't exactly call a spider the best omen, but right in front of me I see our best shot at a viewpoint. Back there I did see a little area that you could see some things. It wasn't bad. You can see the mountain from here actually. That's pretty beautiful. But right up here, the trees clear a bit and I see a fence. Ah yeah, there it is, baby. A viewpoint at last. So you might be asking yourself, Cody, what is that? You can't even see it. Hold on. That's not the town we came from. That's not Suanbo. Maybe we'll go through there tomorrow. It's on the other side of the mountain. But I see something else over here. We might have another view. Let's check. Don't get your hopes up, but maybe. This is the spot we were looking for. I absolutely feel it. There it is. Suanbo. And there it is, Suanbo from above. This feels like a good place to talk about something that I haven't really talked about on the vlogs ever. Over the last almost 2 years, like year and a half, I've constantly felt like my health is declining. Even before I left the Philippines, there was an incident when I was in the Philippines where half my body went numb and I rushed to the hospital and everything seemed to be fine. But that happened right before Izay and I went to Coron, and it definitely freaked me out. And after Coron, I just more and more problems. Like I'd have more headaches than before. I don't want to get into all the issues, but things just kept feeling worse and worse. And even when I first got here, I was taking lots of pain reliever those first few days. Like I'm always having headaches, always in pain. And since I started cycling, I've been feeling amazing. It looked like Izay and I were doing so many adventures, and we were, but it wasn't as much as it seems because we'd go out like on the weekend or every other weekend. It's not like we were out every day like it looks like in the videos. I was sitting around a lot teaching English and editing, and I don't know, I feel like it got to my health somehow. Part of this trip is really to be like a reset on my health and my activity, my ability to, you know, be active. Like all the symptoms that I felt are just like disappearing. I think I just needed more exercise. I'm getting a ton of that now. All right guys, let's get back down to town and not get bitten by any snakes. I found a different path and I'm really hoping it's gonna be a straight path back. I'm not just going on nothing here. This is the direction of the town. If I'm wrong, I just gotta run back up this thing and go down the way I came before it gets too dark, but I really think I'm right. Okay, there's a curve up here, and then around the curve, it sounds like I can hear kids screaming. Normally, I would think that's a good sign. Kids screaming means like town. But in Suanbo, I didn't see a single kid. Yeah, okay, here's where I entered, and over here, where you can't see it, beware of snakes. Yeah, those are all cherry blossom trees. Just imagine what this place must look like in spring. Oh. I can see it. I can see it. This is clearly such a tourist town, man. Everything is hotels. I bet on the weekend, this place is poppin', dude. If you can come here on the weekend, do it and report back to me. Let me know. I bet it is full of people. So I just noticed my room can do this. What is this room meant for? I'm scared. We're really getting into a beautiful area now. Next time, it's more waterfalls, more breathtaking views, and honestly, one of the most difficult days I faced on the entire journey. Keep wondering.